Il souffrait de la tension, donc il a souffert pendant 4 ans, après il est décédé. C'est depuis lors qu'on est avec notre maman. Nous tous, on n'a vraiment pas parvenu, quoi. Mais on s'en sort comme ça, on fait des bricoles, on se débrouille. Donc c'est comme ça qu'on vit, qu'on essaie de payer le courant, payer l'eau, manger. C'est comme ça.
Both of them, I made them just with a small camera and microphones in hand, you know, and without any script, without any, you know, anything written. And I just, each time I had an idea and a character or a subject to develop, and I followed and I tried to see how I continue according to the image I just got, what can I do to complete it and how to make it. And then I spend much more of time in the editing than in the shooting to really compose them and to make them, bring them to a sense.
C'est ma petite soeur, c'est notre soeur, elle vient à peine d'être décédée.
Elle est allée à l'hôpital, elle a suivi le traitement, elle a rechuté. Nous sommes retournés à l'hôpital avec elle. On a donné des médicaments, on a changé le traitement, mais ça n'allait toujours pas. C'est comme ça qu'elle a eu la mort.
Ça fait à peine 2 semaines qu'elle est décédée. 2 semaines, même ce pain-là, c'était correct.
Elle avait quel âge?
Elle avait 23 ans.
23 ans, ah oui, elle est toute jeune. Hein?
Elle est très jeune. Elle a laissé 2 enfants, celle-là et celui-ci.
We can also talk about how I could manage in the editing to maybe, you know, give a good form to each scene, because as you are experiencing it, it's not easy just to film. Everything is ordinary, there is no energy, there is not necessarily a story in what you are filming, but you're supposed to create it later on in the year. When I arrived to Africa, I didn't have any idea how it would be. I mean, I had some images, some cliches of what it is, but I wanted to forget it and just to capture my personal impressions.
How did people accept you with camera and microphone? How long did it take you to get closer to them?
Well, I was as smart as you because you're filming me and you're talking to me.
Is that okay with you?
You see, no one would suppose that you're filming. No, I mean, of course you spend some time to make a connection with people, have a dialogue. Sometimes I have just things spontaneously, but some others are organized. For example, with one of the characters, I go to his family. I started to film her. She didn't mind that I film her, and then I said, maybe next day you can take me to this place, and I want to film you again. And then the other day I said, can you ask your family if we can come with you and film everybody? So you know, these things were organized, but in a very spontaneous way. And of course, some people didn't want, so I didn't do. But I was, in a way, doing the organization with people at the same time as filming and just spotting things, the possible things, without really imposing anything to people.
وجعلكم أمناءه وأيدكم بالرسل والمعجزات وجعل الملائكة قائمين لا يعصون الله ما أمرهم ويفعلون ما يؤمرون وأحاط الخلق بغضائه الذي يتجلى في غضبه وخلق الجنة لأهل طاعته السعداء